spinning like a rock. Hold up.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Mia. So, I can't really raise my arms because then my bra will show. It's kind of a defect of the shirt. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently raining and I am the happiest girl in the world today. If you guys aren't watching my vlogs, I've been daily vlogging on my vlog channel, youtube.com/Mia Stammer. Literally, I did Vlogmas and then I continued to do daily vlogging, which I'm so proud of myself. So go hop over to my vlog channel to see the behind the scenes of this video and all of that. I'm gonna link it down below. Anyways, this video is a morning routine for school, which wasn't really requested, but I actually really wanted to do a morning routine. So if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want similar videos like this, and if you don't, request more videos down below in the comments. Anyways, let's just get into the video. Every morning is a blissful morning, but the only thing I need is a pump-up song to get me energized to get ready for school.
Let's get it. The wheels on the bus go round and round. What? Round and round. What? Round and round. I said the wheels on the bus go round and round. Where? All through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Huh? Swish, swish, swish. Huh? Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Where? All through the town. I said the driver on the bus goes.
Just kidding. I wish I had that much energy when I woke up. Waking up in the mornings can be really hard, and something I do to help myself stay awake right when I wake up is scrolling through Instagram, because that's actually something I want to do. So I just spend like 20 minutes scrolling through Instagram and it keeps me somewhat awake. Okay, so it's time to actually get ready. The first thing I do in the morning is I brush my teeth. It is necessary, y'all, especially if you're going to school. Brush them teeth. Okay, so now it's time for my makeup. I already have foundation and bronzer on, so if you guys want to see my foundation routine, I actually have my entire makeup routine on my vlog channel, so I'll link that down below. But I'm actually just putting on some translucent powder over everything just to matte it down. Prime those lids, girl! I have really oily eyelids, so I definitely need to prime my lids. Next, I use my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Too Cool. If you guys want a full list of products, it's going to be in the description down below, so make sure you check that out if you are wondering what products I'm using on my face. Next, on the outer parts of my eyelids, I'm using a champagne eyeshadow, and then on the inside, I'm using kind of a white shimmery eyeshadow, just to set the cream eyeshadow and create some dimension. Lately, I've been using my bronzer for an eyeshadow, so I've been putting my bronzer on a big fluffy crease brush and just blending that in. Then I'm highlighting my brow bone with a mixture of the champagne and the white eyeshadow that I used on my lids. Next, I'm using that same cream white for my inner corners. And then afterwards, I set it with a matching white shadow, just so it stays in place. Then I blend it out so there's no harsh lines between that and the eyeshadow. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow with a skinny angled brush, and I just create these little tiny brush strokes that look like hairs, and then I fill in the rest of my eyebrows like normal. Then I apply my mascara and I will curl later. As for lips, I use the Tartiste lip paint, and this is in the color Park Avenue Princess. It's one of my favorites, and I think this is so good for school because it lasts forever. Like I said, I curl my eyelashes after my mascara when it is dry, of course, and I find that works really well for me. And there is my makeup. Now for hair, I'm just using a little Bellamy wand. I believe this is a 3/4 inch.
So for school days, I recommend doing something really quick, obviously, and this is my personal favorite technique for creating a beachy wave very, very quickly. I don't like using big barrels because you hold it onto your hair for so long and you basically just get this really large, loose wave. Instead, I use a small wand and I put my hair on it for literally 5 seconds and it creates the perfect beachy wave. Does that make sense? I don't really know, but this is what I've been doing in my hair for so long and you guys have always been asking, so here is a little tutorial. Now it's time to pick out an outfit, and picking out an outfit for school can be hard. Usually I just go with the first thing that I see, which ends up being a t-shirt and jeans, something really cute yet something really comfortable. And then I realize I'm not really feeling that outfit, so I switch it out, and then I switch it out again. I realize I'm not feeling that outfit either, and I go through maybe 5, 10, 20 different outfits until I pick out probably the first outfit I ever picked out. Then I'm left with this huge mess, and I usually just save it for later. So it's time for breakfast, and coffee on a school day is a must. So I'm just having some coffee on my new deck, which I'm really excited about. If I'm ever running late, I usually just grab something quick like a Soylent or an RX bar, but on a normal day, I just eat whatever I find. Today happened to be Frosted Krispies, which I've never had before. I've actually never had Rice Krispies, so hearing that sound was very satisfying. So now it's time to go to school, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. My jacket is from Live and Jess, which is my friend Tiffany's brand. My dress is from Urban Outfitters, my backpack is from Forever 21, and my shoes are Adidas.
My morning routine for school. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also turn on the post notifications so you guys are notified when I upload new videos, because I upload every Monday now. Hashtag Mia Monday. Also, today is the day I announced the MacBook Pro winner for my What I Got for Christmas video. So check out my Instagram if you haven't already, because I announced the winner on Instagram story. Go hop over to my vlog channel to go see my behind the scenes vlog and just my daily vlogs in general. Yeah.